Most men wouldn't survive what he built. Not because they were weak, but because they had never been pushed that far before. Shaka Zulu didn't just train warriors, he changed how they lived. Every day was built around movement, discipline, and pressure. There was no separation between life and training. His system was relentless: constant movement, long-distance running, close combat drills, no comfort, and no space for hesitation. Many couldn't handle it. They broke under the pressure. Physically, they collapsed. Mentally, they checked out. The demand was too high. But the ones who remained were different. They adapted. They moved faster, reacted instantly, and operated under pressure without hesitation. What once felt impossible became their standard. That wasn't just training, it was transformation. And once that transformation spread, his army became something no one wanted to face. Most people avoid pressure, but real power is built by surviving it.